Okay, so tenses are super clear for you, right? Tenses are super clear. You don't have any problem like in passé composé, passé récent, future, future post. Is everything is clear because you did lots of practice. Yes. Now we are going to do pronunciation and look at on page number 45, leçon 36. Leçon 36. So please write with pencil. L'appartement. L'appartement. Le loyer. Le loyer. La banlieue. La banlieue. La banlieue. L'annonce. L'annonce. La villa. La villa. Then verb is vendre. Vendre. Search. Search. Louer. Trouver. Trouver. These all are ER verb of first group. Then adjective. Mule. Mule. Chez. Chérie. L'intéressant. L'intéressante. Intéressant. Intéressante. Then expression, we can say n'est-ce pas, isn't it? If you are talking something and you can say isn't it, then in French also you can say n'est-ce pas, n'est-ce pas. Next is un peu loin, un peu loin, a little far, un peu loin, un peu loin. The next is that we already learned